Aloha, my name is Leilani, and today we are talking with Gregerson Ryder. Tell me a little bit about yourself.
Hi, my name is Gregor Singh, Kohui Ryder. Originally from Waimanalo, spent 20 years on the mainland, and I've been back for about 17 years now, studying Mahiai and La'au Lapa'au at the university and through Ohana Systems. I have become a natural farmer because of its usefulness and its detail to each component in this ecosystem. Natural farming is a methodology promoting protection of environment and life, quote unquote, for Master Cho. Natural farming to me is God's way of farming. It's using all the components of life in the ecosystem, especially the life in the soil, to promote healthy growth for our plants. Natural farming originally is thought to be originally from Japan, from Masunobu Fukuoka. He's considered the father of natural farming. In his book, One Straw Revolution, it tells his story. And then natural farming evolved to Master Cho from Korea, where he kind of specialized all the tools in the natural farming system. All the different types of extracts and fermented plant juices that we use for nutrition. So the tools of natural farming through Master Cho's system are inputs. We use inputs instead of labeling it as fertilizers. So we're going to start with the IMO. IMO is indigenous microorganism. That's the mycelium, or the vegetative growth of the mushroom. Its job and purpose is to break down things and help create soil. And then what works with it as far as life is bacteria, and it's called LAB, lactic acid bacteria, or lactobacillus. The last inputs that we made were wasabi lettuce, FPJ. It's not really wasabi lettuce. It's a lettuce that at maturity, it's normally harvested as a baby greens, but at maturity becomes really spicy and hot. So we made that into an FPJ, a fermented plant juice that we'll use as a test, maybe to help keep some of the bugs away because it's so spicy. Also, IMO was the last one we made, and IMO 2. We made and cultured the IMO 1, turned it into IMO 2. My favorite input would have to be the IMO because of its many abilities and jobs that it can do. It bioremediates. You can use it to help unclog sinks and toilets. You can use it to bioremediate poop or process it and ferment it. IMO or indigenous microorganisms, all of the forms 1 through 5 are my favorite input. Natural farming came into my life during my independent studies in Mahiai. I was attending a permaculture class where I met a young man named Dave Makami, who was part of the first natural farming classes in Hawaii. He taught me one of the inputs, FPJ, with a couple of plants. And then he asked if I should try to FPJ Olena, and I was very hesitant at first. And the inputting made sense to me. It's the delivery system to the nutrition. It's how we attain our health through the nutrition.
We're on each other's side.